We're here at Aquatopia Water Park. It's popular with people of all ages and runs from September to April. The toddler's pool includes a gentle roll-in beach entry. Aquatic wheelchairs are available. Just ask the staff when you arrive. Getting around is easy with wide, accessible pathways throughout the park. The wave pool is equipped with a mobile hoist. Remember to bring your own sling. You'll find plenty of shaded spaces available. Shaded cabanas with barbecues are available to be booked in advance. A changing places facility is also on site for added convenience. Tickets can be booked online, and companion card holders can access entry through Fairfield City Council. Aquatopia isn't just fun, it's inclusive. Whether you're here for the thrills or the chill, everyone's welcome. See you at the park.